May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, come in. Take a seat, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
Are you comfortable for your interview?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Tell me something about you.
Okay, good evening, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Rutuja Haribhau Pawar and I am from Latur itself. I am doing my Bachelor's of Computer Science from the SRT University, and my hobbies are listening motivational speech and reading books. And I want to become a software developer in India's best MNC's company. That's all about me.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My biggest strength is my positive attitude in everything, and my weakness is I am a quite hearted person, kind-hearted person.
Okay, Rutuja, why should we hire you in our company?
Ma'am, as a fresher, I have an ability, but the ability is nothing without the opportunity. If you will give me the opportunity to improve my skills, then I will definitely give my 100% dedication and determination.
Okay.
So, Rutuja, do you have any experience?
No, ma'am, I am a fresher.
Okay.
Who has inspired you in our life?
My mother is the biggest inspiration in my life. She always taught me how to handle the situations, how to behave with the persons, and that's all.
Okay, Rutuja, what are your goals?
Ma'am, I want to become a software developer in India's best MNC's company, like your company.
And long-term goal?
Long-term goal is I want to get the best position in same company.
What are the difference between hard work and smart work?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Hard work comes with the smart work. There is no smart work without the hard work.
Okay, Rutuja, would you like to work under the pressure?
As we know, ma'am, we are living in pressure. That means the exams pressure, our family expectations pressure, our results pressure, and working in a pressure, it's not a big deal, according to me.
How many projects have you completed in your graduation period?
Yeah, ma'am, I completed the 3 projects in Java. The first one is the hotel management, second is the business partnership, and third is the running.
Okay.
And you completed your project single or teamwork?
Teamwork.
Which language do you know, programming language?
Java, Python, C++, and a little bit knowledge of Android also.
So, how much salary would you expect from our company?
As I'm a fresher, I don't expect anything more from the company, and I'm definitely sure that company will give me the salary according to my knowledge and my skills.
Just tell me who was the developer of C?
Dennis Ritchie, he developed the C programming language in AT&T, American Telephone and Telegraph in USA, and the year is 1972.
Okay, tell me one thing, Rutuja. What is encapsulation?
Encapsulation means wrapping a data in a single unit. This is the concept of object-oriented programming language.
And what is the best example of encapsulation?
The class is the best example of encapsulation.
Okay, Rutuja, describe about a job and location, ideal company.
Yeah, ma'am. The ideal company which provides the bundles of opportunities to the employees, and the job means we are satisfied in the professional life as well as in personal life.
Tell me one thing, Rutuja. Do you know about our company?
Yeah, ma'am. Your company is the biggest company in our India, and it gives the lots of opportunities to employees to work, and all the employees are satisfied to work in your company.
Yes. Just tell me the header file of C++.
In C, we use the generally 2 header files. The hash include stdio.h, and the second one is hash include conio.h. C++, we use the hash include iostream.h, and another is the hash include conio.h. Java is a pure object-oriented programming language. That's why we don't need to use the header files in Java.
Okay, Rutuja, where do you see you in next 5 years?
Ma'am, now I am searching for the companies, but my dream to become in 5 years, the company will search me.
What about any salary expectation from us?
As I already told you, ma'am, as I am a fresher, so I don't need to expect more from the company.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rutuja.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
And nice talking to you.
Yes. Best luck for your future.
Thank you, ma'am.